Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare linear versus tactile switches for gaming. We'll dive into the distinct characteristics of each type, helping you understand how they impact your gameplay. Linear switches are known for their smooth, uninterrupted press, while tactile switches provide a satisfying bump, indicating actuation. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which switch might elevate your gaming performance and comfort. Let's explore the nuances of these popular mechanical keyboard options. Linear switches are often favored by competitive gamers for their speed and responsiveness. Imagine pressing a key and feeling no resistance until it bottoms out. That's the linear experience. This smooth travel, often with an actuation point around 2 millimeters and requiring about 45 to 50 grams of force, allows for incredibly fast, repeated inputs. In games demanding quick reflexes, like first-person shooters, the seamless key presses can give you a significant edge, enabling rapid movements and precise actions without any haptic interruption. Tactile switches, on the other hand, offer a different kind of advantage, particularly for gamers who value precision and feedback. The noticeable bump you feel at the actuation point, often around 2 millimeters with a peak force of 55 to 65 grams, confirms that your key press has registered. This can be incredibly helpful in strategy games or when typing, as it reduces the likelihood of accidental presses. For those who prefer a more deliberate and reassuring keystroke, tactile switches provide that satisfying haptic confirmation, improving both accuracy and confidence. Ultimately, the better switch comes down to your personal preference and gaming style. If you're a competitive player in fast-paced genres like first-person shooters or fighting games, the unhindered speed of linear switches might be your ideal choice. However, if you value precision, enjoy a clear actuation feedback, and play a variety of games including strategy or role-playing titles, tactile switches could offer a more satisfying and accurate experience. Experiment with both to discover what truly enhances your unique gaming journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.